Hey y'all, if this doesn't work, you're never going to see this video. I'm going to make something I have never made before without a recipe. My mama made the best, y'all call it giblet gravy or giblet gravy? I always call it giblet gravy. I don't know. It's like, I don't care what you call me, just call me for supper, okay? So my cornbread is drying out in the oven. We're going to make some chicken and dressing. But I'm going to see if I can figure out how to make giblet gravy. So I just got my pan and that yardbird that we baked. Y'all can see that video too. Back up. Here's the insides, what came out of it. And I'm going to use some thigh meat. I don't know how much. I just want some flavor in it here. So let's just see. I don't want to use too much because it doesn't work. I don't want to have wasted all of this. So let's just get another fork of it. My hands don't want to work today, y'all. Okay. I'm dedicated to get that piece right there. Come on, you. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now, let's see. I know it needs boiled eggs. And I think I'm going to do that after I simmer it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I've got just that in there. And then I saved the broth out of the Dutch oven. And I put it in a mason jar. And I put the lid on real tight. And I set it in a cereal bowl. And I put it in the icebox overnight. And see the fat, how it's separated? So, let's just... Oh boy, looky there. Ooh, that's going to be good. Get that good gelatin stuff. Mercy. See if we can get that in here without getting that fat. I guess a little fat would hurt. Good for you. All right. One of my grandpas always said, if you don't eat fat, you can't work. Of course, that was back in the long time ago. So, all right. I should use my flat spoon. That would have come better off. Okay, now, what we're going to do. See, there we go. I've got some of the chicken broth that we made. And I'm going to pour this in here. And I'm going to put it on the stove. And I'm going to, I didn't can it. It just did that on its own. Let's see, how much do I want to put? That looks about like a cup. Okay, I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, and so by the time that little gelatinous stuff does its thing, it will be good. So, okay, I'm going to put a lid on it, and put this on the stove. Yep, this will go here. And let it simmer for a while. I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And put it back together, and then we'll see what we think. It'll either will or it won't. Okay. See you back in a minute. Okay. I'll let it boil for about 20 minutes or so. We're getting a sauna around here. Let me get something to get this bone out here. All right. I'm going to use this little lid to put it in. It had a neck bone in it. And a liver, so I don't know. This poor old yardbird, did it not have a gizzard? Me and my daddy would always fight over the liver. That was my favorite. All right. So, now, what we're going to do, I'm going to put some chicken broth in my measuring cup over here. And I'm not going to really measure it. I'm just going to add about, I don't know, a cup. That sounds like good measurements to me. And I've got some cornstarch. So let's add a good tablespoonish of that. And now let's get it all mixed up. Is this one of those things that you make? Is this one of these things that your mom and your mama made? I loved it. I loved it so much. And really only got it once a year because we didn't have dressing all the time. That was not on Mother's menu, on the reg, as the kids say. There we go. So we're going to pour this in here. Whoops, whoops, whoops. I missed some. Didn't get it mixed up good. Okay. That's more better. Okay, now I'm going to put a boiled egg in this. And I'm going to show you a little trick on what I'm going to do. Hang on just a second here. And I boiled these in my, the light is about to get us. I boiled these in my Instant Pot. So I'm just going to put it on top of this grate and mash it. That looks good. There we go. So, I'm going to put this on the stove and I'm going to bring it to a boil and that will help. Wait, do I want to put salt and pepper in it now? Let me get a little, I know the popsicle sticks. Phooey. Let's just do this, see what we think. It's got to have some salt. And it's got to have some pepper. So, let's add some salt. Maybe a 1/4 of a teaspoon or so. And some good old black pepper. About the same amount. Looks good to me. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this over there on the stove. And when it gets to boiling, I'll bring you in the camera over there and we'll see what it looks like. So, wish me luck. Okay, can y'all see down in there? Okay. The moment of truth. Drum roll. I've used all of my regular spoons. So, let's just get some of this out of here and put it in this little dish so it'll cool. And we're going to see what we think. It either will or it won't. I know there was all kinds of recipes that I could have looked up, but I was just trying to do this from memory because I watch Mother every Christmas do this. So I'm stalling to let this cool. So let's see what we think. That's actually, oh no, you can't see me. Oh no, the sun came out. Came out from the mercy. Yeah, here at the cabin, you have to get your filming done before the sun comes out at about 2:30. It's 2:30 now. Anyway, this is really good. I could eat this as a bowl of soup. I can't. Anyway, I hope this was an encouragement. If you have something in your past and you don't have a recipe, wing it, y'all. This is actually really, really, really good. So, all right. Winter, winter, chicken dressing dinner. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all. Nailed it.